So guys, this is how the central station of Den Haag looks like. You can see some buses over there, and you have the tram here. So this tram goes to different directions in Den Haag. Also, you may be able to catch the Flixbus here at Den Haag Central Station. So you have the Flixbus and you have the black cars. So these are going to different destinations. Here at Den Haag, you may be able to catch the trains going to Utrecht, going to Amsterdam, going to Rotterdam. So it's very easy. All you need to do is catch one of these trains. These trains are from the company called Ekene. So, and you also have some great shops here in Den Haag, such as Albert Heijn, Julia, and so many others. Hello angels, this is my current favorite eyeshadow brush. So this is from Smoothia eyeshadow brush. It's a great item from the brand AC Paris. I also like to use this body wash from Center Long Beach. It's a great item for washing the body properly. These are my current perfumes. These are my current favorite perfumes from the Body Shop and also from Armani. So this is how the NW50 powder looks like. It's very pigmented.